Hey, I'm Holland.
I'm Jessica.
And we are Librarians Explore. This month for November, we're here celebrating some local organizations that we're grateful for, and those are animal rescues. Our first stop here is the Shelby County Humane Society, and we're gonna go inside and Kayla's gonna give us a tour. Librarians Explore, away! And now we're inside, we're with Kayla Hill, and she's gonna give us a tour and tell us a little bit more about the organization.
Yeah, hi guys. Well, welcome to the Humane Society of Memphis and Shelby County. We are so excited to have you guys here for your Librarians Explore program. Woo! Just to tell you a bit about the Humane Society, we were founded in 1933.
Wow.
Way back, we used to be on Central Avenue, and we've been in this location for about 10 years. We rescue animals from the city of Memphis. They're brought in by Good Samaritans, owners that can no longer care for their animals, or unfortunately sometimes owners pass away and their dogs are brought to us. So we take in mostly injured and abused animals. That is our main mission, but of course we want to try and help all of the animal community here in Memphis. So I'm gonna take you guys on a tour and show you the coolest spots in the Humane Society, so you can follow me. So these are some of our lifestyle kennels that we have. At any given time, we have about 100 to 125 cats and dogs in our care here in the facility.
That is a lot.
It is a lot, it's quite a lot. So just like at home, your dog might have a crate or a kennel that they stay in when you're gone or when they're feeling a little scared. Our dogs all have their own kennels that they hang out in. This is Jello right here, he's hanging out. He gets all of the amenities that your dog might have at home, a bed, toys, blankets. They even got spots for their food and water too.
All the cozy things.
All the cozy things, especially Jello. He loves his big blankets and his toys. Just like your dog might have to go outside during the day, all of our dogs are walked at least 3 times a day by our wonderful staff and volunteers. We have a fantastic volunteer program that comes in the mornings and the evenings to walk our dogs. We have about 75 to 100 different volunteers that come throughout the week.
Wow, that's amazing.
Yeah, it's a fantastic program and we really couldn't do it without them. They're absolutely much needed. Our volunteers can even come and take a dog for a doggy day out to get them a little new experience, have some time outside of their kennel, and we learn a lot from them being outside of their kennel. Alright, so this is our cat house. We of course could not forget our cats over here at the Humane Society. Right now we have about 20 available adoptable cats here, and we give them all the amenities that we can provide. They all have their own kennels just like the dogs, and just like your cat might have its own space at home. They all have little cat beds, blankets. They of course have their litter box and their food and water bowls, which are all very important for cats to have. And some of our cats even have a nice fun suite. So these over to my right, they get to look out at the window on the front lawn. Then through this door behind us, we have 3 lifestyle cat kennels that are these bigger rooms where we can keep a couple of different cats at the same time. Sometimes we have litters of up to about 6 or 8 in those cat rooms over there. So they get a lot of socialization. As you can see, they're running around the cat house, hanging out with other kittens. That way they can get the enrichment that they need to live in their own adoptable homes. We also have wonderful volunteers that come into our cat house. They brush them, they cuddle them, they play with them with the toys that we have, and this gives us a lot more information about the different things they might like in their future homes. And of course, getting to know new cats is just like getting to know new dogs. You do have to take it slow, reach out your hand, let them sniff you just like we would do with dogs, so that we can get to know them, like this sweet little baby here. One of my favorites actually went home. Her name was Clumsy Smurf, and she was so fluffy and so cute. But I love spending time with all the kittens in here. Another important part of running an animal shelter is our veterinarian care. We do have an on-site vet that takes care of all of our animals that we have here in our facility, doing things like giving them their shots, spay and neuter surgeries, as well as any other surgeries they might need. So not only does she prevent any of the issues or treat any of the issues that we have that come up with the animals here, but she also allows us to take in those injured, abused, and sick animals so we can offer them medical care right away. We will do any of the puppy vaccines if we get puppies in. One of the awesome things that I love about the Humane Society is that if you adopt a heartworm positive dog and they're not done with their treatment, you can bring that dog back to us for treatment at no cost.
That's amazing.
Yeah,
that's expensive.
It is. It's quite an expensive surgery or treatment, and we want to make sure that those dogs still stay as adaptable as they can. So we want to lower that barrier for them.
That's very nice.
And another important thing while we have a vet clinic is a part of our mission is ending animal homelessness. One important way we do that is through spay-neuter surgery, so they can't have more puppies and kittens. So we have a low-income spay-neuter public clinic that we run. So anyone that's on government assistance, like food stamps, disability, anything like that, can bring their pet in here to be spay or neutered and also get their yearly vaccines that they might need.
That's amazing.
It is. It is truly amazing. It's one of our biggest ways that we try and prevent animal homelessness here in Memphis. We've got a lot of really cute available dogs for adoption. Like, here comes Stephanie with Bono. Let's see if we can say hi.
Hello.
So when you meet a new dog, there's some important steps to follow. First and foremost, you gotta ask for permission. So you might say,
Can I pet your dog?
sure, yes you can.
All right.
Now you're gonna reach out your hand to let her sniff you. Bono's a little shy today. It might be my wheelchair, but he may give us a little bit of advance notice here. There we go. So once the dog gives you permission to pet, then you can pet their side, their chest area, things like that. Oh, and he's giving little kisses. And one of the important things to remember is when you ask for permission, make sure you respect their answer, whether that is yes or no. Some dogs might be shy or might not like certain kinds of people, so you want to make sure you listen to the owner's instructions. But we see Bono here is super friendly. He's loving all of this attention that he's getting, and those are some really great steps to follow when you meet new animals. So Bono's 4 months old. He's adorable. He's probably completed our foster program, and that's why he's here in the building. So as you guys can see, a lot goes into animal rescue, and we really couldn't do it without our donors in the community. The Humane Society of Memphis and Shelby County is completely donor funded, and we don't really receive any regular government funding every year like other shelters. So we rely on those individual donors or people that host fundraisers or things like that. And anybody can help, no matter your age or financial status. You can host a fundraiser at school or work, you can host a supply drive, or even just join some of our monthly giving clubs like the Friends of the Humane Society. And all of this information can be found on our website, which is memphishumane.org. We do several fundraising events throughout the year, like the Fast and Furious 5K. We have our Deck the Paws Photos with Santa, as well as our Paw Prints Gala. Those are our 3 biggest events of the year, and we post about those on social media, on our website, and all of that. We try to get the word out about those events.
They're very fun.
Well, we appreciate it.
Thank you so much.
Yes, and thank you guys so much for having us on your Librarians Explore program.
Yes, it was awesome.
And now we're off to meet another animal rescue in Memphis.
And now we're meeting with Alive Rescue Memphis, and this is Bernice, and she's going to tell us a little more about the rescue. Like, when did you guys first start rescuing animals in the city?
We announced the rescue in October of 2013.
Okay.
It took a while to get things started and obviously to create a foster base. So the first dog came into Alive in July of the following year, and her name was Zelda.
How many dogs do you think you guys have rescued in total?
Are you asking me for an official number?
I would like the official number.
413.
413.
But ask me tomorrow and maybe it'll be 414.
Yeah. So that's
Awesome.
a crazy amount of dogs to be rescued in such a big city like Memphis.
Thank you.
What's the oldest dog in the rescue right now?
Currently, we have a couple of old guys. We have Bolin, he's around 10. We just rescued an old man named Percy, he's probably 10. And then we have 2 little seniors, Lily and Hugh. They're 13.
That's a nice way of putting it.
Yep.
Do you have any favorites right now? Which I know is hard to pick.
That's so hard.
I know.
I mean, any dog that's going to stay in my home, I'm obviously going to spend more time with. So there's a little senior Stella, who's my foster dog, who's going to her new home tomorrow. I love her, but I love everybody. I mean, who doesn't love dogs?
Terrible people.
Yeah.
What about the youngest dogs in the rescue right now?
They're babies. We have 10 Rottweiler puppies that were born about 6 weeks ago. They're growing quick. I've never seen puppies get that big that fast, but that's what Rottweilers do. So we've got 5 little girls and 5 little boys.
Awesome. Do you think we could go play with the puppies?
I think so. Cool.
Yes.
Let's do it.
Puppy party. A Live Rescue Memphis is a foster-based rescue, so they don't have a physical building to visit. But you can see all their adoptable dogs on their website. And if you want to help them rescue even more dogs and you live in the Memphis area, you can apply for that on their website as well.
Hey, and now we're here at Mutopia Cat Rescue. We're here with Ann Ilsley. She's the director of Mutopia, and she's going to tell us more. So can you tell us how long you've been a rescue or been rescuing cats?
Well, I've been rescuing for a long, long time, but we've been in business a little over 21 years.
Wow.
We've rescued many a cat and made many friends with many people who have adopted our kitties.
I bet. What's the oldest cat you have here at the rescue?
Right now, she's about 17.
Oh, okay.
We got her when she was a teeny kitten, and she just never did care much for people.
Who's that?
Her name is Minnie. When she was a kitten, we named her Minnie because she had great big ears. She was about 7 weeks old, and her ears were as bigger than she was.
Did she grow into them?
Oh yeah, she's grown in now. She's a big old hairy fuzzy girl now.
And what is your youngest kitten here at the rescue?
Well, that would probably be Tater Tot and Tabasco. Yeah, they're about 5-6 weeks old.
Oh, little bitty things.
Yeah.
We'll have to look at them later.
Yes.
Yeah.
And do you have a favorite cat right now that's here?
Oh, you know, I have a different favorite every day. I just love all the kitties, even the ones that are kind of cranky.
And like, who do we have here?
Yes.
Oh, this is Wally. And the reason his name is Wally, when he was in his foster home, one day he decided to crawl up inside the wall.
Oh,
So they had to cut him out of the wall, so he became Wally.
that's an adequate name for a little curious cat.
And he's going home actually tomorrow. He came with his 2 brothers
Oh,
who went home yesterday.
congratulations on your new home.
Uh-huh.
Do you think we could get a tour of the facility?
Sure, we'd love to show you around.
Awesome.
Mutopia has several rooms where the cats can wander and socialize.
This right here is one of my favorite kitties today. This is Frank. And I don't know why Frank is still here. Frank is a lovely guy. And he follows you around just like a little doggy. Is there anything you want me to straighten up? No. Hey buddies! Hey guys! Hey guys! Hey Oscar! Hey Felix! Hey! 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 They say, yes, this is us. Hi! Hi! Now we already saw you. Quit trying to steal the show. Hey sweetheart! Hey! Yes! These are all sweet little kitties.
Cats can lounge, observe, sleep, or at least try to.
Eventually they'll all be out walking around. Our newer cats, we just put them in a cage so they can get used to all the smells.
All of the cats in the large rooms have been socialized and are excited for pets.
Can I hold him?
Of course you can.
Oh, hi Desmond. Come here.
He likes to lick you, by the way.
Come here.
He's heavy.
Hi. Come on. Get in there.
It's a huge cat.
He's a
Hello.
handful, isn't he?
You comfy?
You need to take him home with you. When
Oh,
you go.
I wish. I have 2 already.
Oh. Well, not only do we have wonderful kitties here, we have wonderful volunteers. This is one of our volunteers, Sally, and quite honestly, I don't know how we'd get along without her, and many more just like her. These are the people that keep Mutopia going, and if anybody would like to volunteer with us,
We really have a good time here. That's the reason we're so slow cleaning today, is because we spend a lot of time playing with the kitties.
What's the youngest volunteer you would take?
Well, we take young children,
Okay.
but they have to have their parents come and volunteer with them. So we have a lot of like mother and daughter or
Oh,
dad
that's
and
great.
son teams. Yes. We don't turn down anybody.
That's awesome.
Yeah.
All right.
Great.
Yeah. She's not going to be like him. No, that's for if. Oh, you don't need it. This
Should I just throw it on?
I would wrap them in.
Yes, you do like a burrito. I'm going to wrap her before I give her to you.
Okay.
She's hissing.
That's why I thought it might look better if he had one too. If he had one on him.
I know.
There you
I don't know
go.
why.
Now I don't know if she's got.
It's okay.
As long as you keep her, and we'll just.
It's okay there.
Okay.
She does look like a little burrito. You are so pretty. This is the only thing on my ferals.
Look, there's your brother.
Get him out of my face, she says. Are you trying to help your sister?
You're a burrito.
Oh my
God.
God.
He's just licking me.
Oh,
You're
Coco
silly.
licks me.
Oh, and now you bite lick me. Ouch. Bite lick. You're goofy.
If you're interested in adopting, head to Mutopia's website and check out the available cats. Thanks again to Anne for the tour of Mutopia Cat Rescue.
As always, check out some of the many books we have about animals and adopting a new pet.
If you're looking to adopt your own cat or dog, make sure to check out a Live Rescue Memphis,
The Humane Society of Memphis and Shelby County,
Mutopia,
and some of these other great animal organizations.
Thanks for joining us, and we will see y'all next time.
Bye!
Bye.
Motivate him into coming out.
All right. Hey, come here.
Oh, he'll come out.
Oh, he's purring.
He is purring.
I'm gonna shake his hand. Hello.